Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Do you really want to speak in English? So don't worry, I'm here to help you. How to speak English confidently and fluently? How to speak English like native speaker? I'm here to help you in all the way. But you have to promise me that you will start thinking positively that you can speak in English. Because if you start thinking that you can speak in English confidently, so you will definitely going to speak in English. Who is here to stop you? Only you. The self doubt is the major problem of the human life. Yes, humans always think that what will be happen if I'll speak, maybe I get ashamed or I get insulted. So just forget about that. Whenever you go for learning swimming, you have to go in the swimming pool and try to swim. So without the trying, how will you be a good swimmer? Same thing over here. Until and unless you will try to speak in English, how will you become a excellent English speaker? How will you able to speak English like the fluent speakers, like the native speaker, those who speak English really well? Look at the persons like Sundar Pichai. Look at other person like the Mark Zuckerberg. How they speak English really well because they have done the good practice of English. Same thing you need to do. What is important? Some basic tips are here which will really going to help you to improve your English speaking practice. For this, I'm here to help you. So let's start with some amazing advanced words, and we will talk further what are the other steps. So the first step is vocabulary, and speak vocabulary with me. The first word for the day is casties. Casties. The spelling is Chastise, and the meaning is inflict punishment on, to discipline. Now I will make a sentence. Mother castises us for firing our bottle rockets through the living room window. Next word, shikani. Shikani. The word is Chicanery, and the meaning is trickery. Political news. This is a sentence. Political news would be dull were it not for the chicanery of our elected officials. Next word, chimera. 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 An illusion. Suzanne's dream of becoming a movie star was just a chimera. Next word, choleric. 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 Hot tempered. And the time of sentence. The choleric watchdog would sink his teeth into anyone who came within biting distance of his doghouse. Next word, chronic. Constant, lasting a long time. Someone who always come in the last could be called a chronic loser. Next and the last word for the day, chronicle. Chronicle. Record of events in order of time. Sally's diary provided her mother with a detailed chronicle of her daughter's extracurricular activities. Now we have done some vocabulary and advanced words for the day. What are the other things which you can do in spite of learning vocabulary? So the most and important and advanced thing which you can do at your home, at your living space, wherever you are, is reading. Yes, read book, read magazine, read newspaper, whatever you like. I basically prefer newspaper because I got aware about the news, that what is happening in the politics, what is happening in the financial market, what is happening in the world. So I got all the news, and as well as the news I got some advanced words also. So that is why reading is very very important to improve your speaking skills. Next thing you can do whenever and wherever you are, listening exercise. Listen English media, listen English song, watch English movies. Wherever you are, you can do these things, but think in your mind that you are learning. When you think that you are learning, so you will improve, because you will you have to live in present. When suppose a news representative is speaking in English and he just speak an advanced word which is new for you, so you just have to grab that word and find out the meaning of that word at the same time, so that you can use that word in your vocabulary and you can use that word in your next English speech. One and the last thing which is also very important, you have to do every day, speak in English. Speak with your friends, speak in front of mirror, or record your own voice. You have to do any of these three things every day. Yes, if you really want to improve yourself, so you have to do this practice every day, because until and unless you will try to speak in English, you will definitely going to speak in English one day, but you have to try first. That is very very important. And believe me my friends, if you can speak in English, so you can open a new opportunity for you. Even you want to get a job in corporate sector, or you can go for overseas studies whenever you, or wherever you want to go. Suppose you want to go for Canada for overseas studies, or Australia, where you need to qualify language tests like IELTS and TOEFL. So if you can speak in English with confidence and fluency, so you can easily qualify these language tests also. So see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. I hope you really like the video of today. So thank you so much.